Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be walking through how to join Invisible Friends Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open a browser and search here random character collective Discord, and now open this link random character collective, and here is the server. Click on join. And click on accept invite. Continue to Discord. And now go ahead to verify. And here you can see I successfully joined to the Invisible Friends server.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.